Now let's talk about setting up an online store and also your products. You're going to need Shopify, which enables you to build online stores. You don't need to have any technical skills or knowledge to be able to set up your online store when you're using Shopify. And you could sign up for a free trial. I believe it's a 14-day free trial. And then you could go for the basic plan, which is $29 per month. But Shopify is in my opinion the best e-commerce platform there is. It's probably also the most popular e-commerce platform. Now, once you have Shopify and you have a store set up, you would download an app called Printful. Okay, and Printful is the most popular print-on-demand app on Shopify. You could upload a design. Actually, Printful even has in-house designers who could create art and designs for you from scratch. Okay, so these designs, you would have them printed on a variety of products. It could be clothes, it could be mugs, pillows, iPhone cases. Let's just go to one of their pages here. Okay, so here are the categories of products that you could have them printed on. Okay, so there's clothes, accessories, backpacks, iPhone cases, which I mentioned earlier, hats. Let's click on home and living, mugs, posters, beach towels. So let's just say you want to sell men's clothing. Click on that. T-shirts. And then you would select from these shirts here and you would have your designs printed on here. And this right here is the cost of $29. You could go for the Gildan 64,000 shirts, which are around $9. So this is your cost, and they recommend you try to mark up at least 30%. So for a 30% profit margin. So when you sell your products, the money is automatically taken out of your PayPal account. So for example, if you sell this type of shirt, the $8.95 is taken out of your account, and whatever you keep is the difference or the profit. Okay, and that money that gets taken out goes to Printful, and they automatically they would print out the product for you and ship it to your customer, and the customer would get the tracking number as well. So they do all the work for you. It's basically an automated process. Now, when it comes to creating the designs, you're going to have to research the niche or the Instagram influencers audience to try to get an idea of what they like and what kind of designs would appeal to them. Another great thing about Printful is that they will take professional photographs of your products, send those photographs to you so you can upload them to your store. Now let me show you an online store that's using Printful so you could see what's possible here. Okay, this online store is called shopzenpencils.com, and they sell a variety of products, and they're basically using Printful to have their designs printed on these products here.